Deck building businesses lose a lot of time when estimates, scheduling, and job tracking are handled through spreadsheets, texts, and disconnected tools, instead of one system built for construction and project management. By the end of this, you'll know which software actually fits deck builders, what features matter most, and how to choose a system based on how you estimate projects, manage crews, and track job costs from start to finish. Most deck builders need 3 core things from software: fast estimating, clear project scheduling, and accurate job costings so every project stays profitable. Construction and contractor-focused software is usually the best fit because deck building is project-based, with material-heavy estimates and labor tracking that need to stay organized in one place. Estimating is one of the biggest priorities. Deck projects vary widely based on size, materials, railings, stairs, and site conditions. So software that helps build detailed, repeatable estimates saves time and reduces pricing mistakes. Job costing matters just as much. Without tracking materials and labor properly, it becomes hard to know which projects are actually profitable and which ones are quietly losing money. Scheduling and crew management is another key area. Deck projects often overlap, so software that helps assign crews, manage timelines, and adjust schedules helps prevent delays and double booking. Project tracking is also important because deck builds move through stages like framing, decking, railing, and finishing. Software that helps track progress keeps everyone aligned on what stage each job is in. Customer communication tools help keep homeowners updated without constant phone calls. Many platforms let you send updates, timelines, and progress notifications automatically. Invoicing and payments are another important part of the workflow. The best systems let you send invoices as soon as milestones are completed, which helps keep cash flow moving during longer projects. Mobile access is essential because crews need to view plans, update job status, and log progress directly from the job site. Some platforms also include photo documentation, which helps show progress and keeps records of how the build is developing over time. When comparing options, the main difference is usually between lightweight estimating tools and full construction management platforms. Lightweight tools are easier to use, while full platforms offer deeper control over scheduling, costing, and project tracking. The right choice depends on your business size and workflow complexity. Smaller deck builders often prioritize simple estimating and scheduling. Larger teams benefit more from detailed job costing and full project management systems. A practical next step is to look at how you currently track material costs. If you're not separating material and labor per job, then job costing features should be your top priority when choosing software. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of contractor and construction software.